Hello, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy, and I make live videos, mostly of Yiddish. If I'm about to announce a video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. It helps me on the channel tremendously, so thank you for that. And also, that you wish that also on the channel. Against supporting the channel by becoming a member and hitting the join button. And they will schicken us a quick pay super chat. Mashu kaze, Tiaro helfen. Is it viggivibes@gmail.com. Oder a super chat on YouTube. So help that us. Let's get into it. Vanach magazine. Hello and welcome. Good morning. How you doing? Wie sie gewesen dann? Shabbos, wie sie gehen am Weekend. Bye, bye, bye. Wie sie gewesen the weekend? Maar na gefilmd had hij gegeben a Lubavitcher album, so I was like, okay, let's hear it. So furchtbar, also für das Shoot 2. Wie halt Gold oder Bitcoin, habe ich gehört gekriegt. Und sehen wir da herzlich. We appreciate it. Gold $4,232. Bitcoin 91. We struggled over the weekend, huh? $89 to $87. I pushed the cut off. For that snow, your mother came more. If I know when I was. Sam Bam Wham. Hello and welcome. Good morning. How you doing? We do hear you. Is Chaim, like this on the picture. Good morning. How you doing? Is it gonna Shabbos? Is it gonna weekend? The bias is noch ein bisschen zermischt. Sie fängt an ein bisschen auf the bull, but we shall see. Wo the verdict jetzt sein für den Tag? Es ist nicht klar jetzt. As much as von wie ich verstehe. But Sam Bam Wham, wie sie gewähnt am Weekend, wie sie gewähnt am Shabbos. Chaim dance as well. Wie sie gewähnt. Now in the hospital. Bobby. Für dir? Oder für a visit? So wie eine Doktor ist einmal reinkommen und ich suche für einen. I have bad news. Und will ihm suchen die bad news. Fangt du weinen, sucht was weinst du? Ich kann sagen, ich kann sagen, ich hab es. More to bullish. BNH. Bull. Bull meint darauf, right? Soll gerechnet klicken? Yes. It's giving me the bullseye. As of now, but ich weiß nicht. Not financial advice, of course. No, from my father. I'm sorry, Chaim. I'm sorry. We wish him and bless him a full recovery. Tesla 455, 448. So it's vermachbar, 455. Gang. Good morning, gang. How you doing? Visiting on weekend, visiting on Shabbos. Welcome. Good morning. We're above the 200 EMA. Oh, nice. V is the 200 EMA. I didn't change. I mean, I did change back, yes, gang. But the reason being, ich habe gewollt nutzen jene Programm, sehen Sie, ich habe es lieb. Sie gewähnen a sale. And literally a day after the sale, gehe ich herauf auf the website, do it's Ecamm. And I'm like, sie schon nicht, du kannst sale. So I'm gonna wait until, jetzt ist es $32 auch heute, was ich will. Ob ich bezahle die ganze Sache. So $40 ob ich nehme es heute. I'm waiting for Christmas. Sie nehmen ob sie kommt raus a Christmas sale. So we'll see. $25,500. $25,500 is the EMA. Wow, wat weg. So I'm waiting for Ecamm to hoop my sale. Bis I have a zurück the sale. I'm not paying full price. By the way, if I'm a guy anyway, that is absolutely, positively, 100% not financial advice. So please be careful. The market wegnemen alles voor die house. Wie ze die huis. En je voor die kans borgen. Zit er nog maken zorgen. So kijk eens hoe wie kinderen en adulten spelen Lego. Wie heißt das? OBS. Man kennt ihn sehr Sachen mit OBS. But man darf jede Sache, was man bringt daran, ist ein Plugin und man darf es scannen. Ist ein ganze in Ecamm ist mehr so wie ein iPhone. Sehr simple and plain, user friendly. But I didn't want to take it right away, so ich habe es genutzt für ein paar Tage. Ich habe gesehen, als was ich will reviewen, das geht Mechaniker nicht. Dann muss ich das anlegen in einer neuen Tab. Definitely reviewing this. Wie heißen sie? We're going to all times high? Yeah, okay. Hier gaan we schon, dit is ook Israeli Portnoy. Again, thank you Hashem. Must watch this. But was ich will reviewen is Schmillicast. Der gegangen live wegen the lakefront properties. Ich habe es nur irgendwann watchen a bisschen, like a paar Minuten, and I was like, whoa. Gotta make a review on that. So ich habe es gestoppt watchen. Ba-da-da-da-ba-ba. Bi-di-bi-di-bi-bi-bi. Right now we'll see. Jetzt arbeite. So, mit sehen wie lange ich arbeite. Ich kann nicht mehr kein Pressure. Don't know. Are you going live tonight? I should be saying that's on plan. Besides, if I get gig, then it's yeah. Hershey Black put out a new song. Ich habe es gesehen, als er rausgelegt eine neue Song. Aber die Sache ist, ich weiß nicht, ich hätte sagen, der Risk. Er hat es rausgelegt, weil er geworden nach Husten, right? Es ist doch viel so wie, if I don't like it, I'll shitten auf so einen Husten-Song, if you get what I'm saying? Like, it's like risk and reward. So I don't know. But ich will reviewen the Schmilly-cast. Hold on. Because I feel there's a lot of I don't know. I don't even know. I don't want to sound like I know, but ich habe getroffen ein Video von 3 Uhr zurück, wie ein Mensch redet, der Designer hat geredet von Lakefront, which would be an interesting contrast. Ich habe gekickt, wie noch ein Investor hat das so gekauft. So I don't know. I don't want to say like I know, but so let's review it. Let's review what? The make it 1.5. Was the I guess music, weil man kann nicht andere Music kann man nicht machen 1.5. Jacob, guten Morgen. Ich gehe auf einen Kaffee in der Früh mit Viggy. We appreciate it. How are you? Wir sind gewesen am Shabbos, wir sind gewesen am Weekend. Oh, interessante Sache geschehen im Zimmer über the weekend. A very interesting thing happened to me over the weekend. Ich habe gemeint, Shabbos, bin ich gewesen into the impression in the free as a Sintik. I don't even know why I thought it was Sunday. It was odd. Gang, Oibergeist to the viewing, it's gonna be like around 10ish. Oibergeist to the viewing, I think. Because with that focus auf as I don't focus, and do that for focus auf Arbeit. You know what I mean? So it was funny, it was odd. Als ich gemeint, dass es Sintik. It would have been funny if ich war gegangen live, thinking as es Sintik. Getting it. Good morning. How you doing? How are you? Wir sind nach Shabbos, wir sind nach Weekend. Eine Sache soll man wissen, ich bin nicht echt ein Dafkenik-Type of Mensch at all. Ich bin nicht echt ein Dafke. Very rarely tue ich etwas Dafke. So, ich sage das, because just imagine if guy went out off in a guy live thinking it's Sunday. that would have been odd, you know. I really thought it was Sunday. Amazing. Nice. I did it and I. Getting it. Het zou me lief te heren naar zaken zijn amazing. We're bouncing off the 21 EMA. All right, nice. Let's hope it holds and it goes up. I am ready for the upper. I am ready for an upper. I am ready. I am ready. Wie heißt der Filmer? Nach mijn filmer het er uitgegeven als one day ago Lubavitcher Nissach, like Lubavitcher songs. Ze hebben maar een certain lebendigkeit zu sich, de Lubavitcher, not, you know. Nicht wild, they don't have wild, but ze wild. If you know what I'm saying? Like, ich kan zeggen, de Rebbe klapt, maar zo, vleet zich zo patch in de hand. Wie is de 21 EMA? Sham Wham Bam. Gang, my pleasure. I mean, es ist Mattes. So it's not really me. Ich sitze dort und let's jump into it. You know what I mean? Why do I choose top step? 25,775. Why do I choose top step over forever? I don't really have a good reason, to be honest. I don't have a I don't really have a reason. I just how things worked, you know. Hast dat zweite, wo die kannst recommend? Bariba. Dus we kunnen een arriba, maar dan niet in. And it was also odd. Ich habe durchgewacht und ich habe gesehen, dass get mich als a weird energy. Couldn't me so be like, von wo wächst die auf dem Gas auf a Sintik? I never see you guys walk. Ah, on the hourly, okay. Jetzt kijkt als de bias foot darauf, like we spoke. Die Gnade lai. So send a big thank you for the matters. Nice. Lost about a comment. You know, he sees the comments. And I'm sure comments helped. I know a thing or two about comments. What did I do? Direct fin... No, ich habe aufgewacht zu meinem Neighbor. Ich habe gesehen, Sachen sind off. I only realized that after. Und noch habe ich gesehen, einer wacht auf dem Gas. And I was like... Yeah, almost. And I was like, why are you guys on the street? It was the oddest thing ever. For me, it was like, what's happening? Ja. En ik denk, wenn sie geworden macht so Shabbos, hat sich einer umgeriefen, like, I get the walk, And ich habe gemeint, like, he's messing around. And I'm like, what do you mean? Ich gebe a kick after this. Saturday. I never had this like this. Because I didn't really think about it. I didn't really... it was the oddest thing. Yankee. Welcome. Good morning. How you doing? Schein dir zu sehen, du. Ich kann fahren, du sagen, wir sind an Schabbat, wir sind an Weekend. Macht's mich zufrieden, wenn ich sehe dir. Ich habe apologized to the neighbor. I was like, ich bin aufgegangen in the actual Syntax to the neighbor. Und ich suche für den neighbor, like, listen, ich weiß nicht, what happened. Because ich bin ein starker Respekter. Ich respekt das Sache. Like, I really, really try to respect all cultures. And I was like, I don't know. The only place where I thought it was odd is when ich umgekommen zu der neighbor, zu seinem Chillplatz, und ich sehe, alles ist ausgelöscht. And I think it was like 10:40. And I'm like, what's happening? I'm like, okay, kennst du uns ein stilles Integ or something? I walked away. Yankee, nice. So man liebt zu hören, das ist amazing. Komm mal, lecho besori. Oh, Russisch, was ist, wie heißen sie? Nashi. $8.70. Ich lasse meine runners to $8.70. We'll follow suit, sir. Meine runners habe gelassen sie $25,870. So yeah. Sam, not financial advice. Beruhig dich. This is financial advice. What do you know? You don't need to know. C'est meine runners. It's like the rest of it. You need to have a stop. Ich habe ein Stop Loss. Ich bin schon raus von der Trade. Der Trade ist Sachakel Runners. Sam, die machst doch so wie die weiß nicht. Bist amazing, Sam. Somebody's got to tell you. Somebody's got to keep you in check. Zedek, ich kann checken den Box. You do not know? Yeah, you don't know that you know, but I'm telling you, you know. We're all speculating. Oh, Gleitmer. De speculating truck is schon rausgefunden. De boss is schon lange rausgefunden von de speculator truck. Don't you worry. It's so Gucci. Rupa. It's a game of probability. Yeah, I like the probability of the game. Mag jag switch the verter. Mag jag ta of the erter. Don't worry, Sam. We all know it's not... Man kann nicht blamen als zweiten. We can... According to the 930 candle is a wilde candle. Was met echt toen men aan in that trade. Because it swinged God knows how much. So met dat watchen wegen de 930 candle. Als je maar merkt dat zeg maar de 930 candle just is the eliminator. Just neemt dat roos, just boom pap. Weißt du, ich mein? Hinterste Stock zu der basement. Zu der boiler. Hold
Zu der boiler room.
So met dat watchen wegen de 930 candle. Very much. So we nemen zeg maar, wenn wir sind a trade 930, kann es geben, I feel mal hat de stop zijn niedrig. Not niedrig enough. En we kunnen niet callen the bottom. We kunnen niet callen the bottom. We kunnen niet callen the top. So we dat watchen van de 930 candle. We got to watch the 930 candle. You know what I mean? Und da wegstein. Yankee T, wie bist du gewesen? Bei Coffee and Tea? Wie bist du gewesen die Woche? Bei Tati oder bei ihr Tati? Hast du einen schweren Schwieger oder einen süßen Eidem? No? Die Lines noch hier in der Buch? Danke. Leider bin ich gegangen checken wegen der Mailbox. Sie ist etwas umgekommen. Ich will checken haben. Und dann will ich etwas schicken zu der Unboxing. Wo sich die Montag, ob sie kommt der Person. Aber ich habe den Address. Als ik moet kijken naar een number. Maar mensen die, oké, ze kijkt niet gaan heggen die 830. All of a sudden is het bij 940. Zo maar dat. Man kann nicht wissen. Bar Mitzvahs. Lass mal sehen, was es du. Sie du etwas Neues auf der Welt? Was ist denn Neues? Man bringt von dem Reis. The China market will reset at 570. Sylvia kommt zurück und checken $7.99. Der Kutsche Bericho. Die Sache ist mit der V-Wapas, sie kijkt aus diese ein Platz, was echt ist es somewhere else. Bericho. Wapdo. There's always a chance. So I big do a chance. The Lubavitchers got him. The Lubavitch and the Ginam, they got it. Sam, I have gesucht. Listen to this, Sam. Again, obviously not financial advice. was weiß ich. But Tesla is forming a cup and handle. Habe ich das ausgelernt. Of the monthly. They see the cup and they see the handle. Cup and handle. It's a guide. It's a guide. But the indication is a guide on. As that move is $800. So the target is $800 in the next few months. I mean, the next future. It's a guy doubling. Let's take a form cup and handle of the monthly chart. Not financial advice, Hebra. Not financial advice. Ja, net bedoelt dat die kickst auf gold. This, by gold. Jumping. Siehst du, a cup, the handle, ist sozusagen gedoppelt. Sie gingen von 2000 zu 4000. Kijk on die green there. Just saying. Not financial advice, of course. But there's the cup and handle. This is the cup. This is the handle. In order, ze gangen van $2,800, van $2,080, all the way up to $4,300. En kijk, literally, kijk on their eyes. Kijk on their eyes. Shall it rise? Met een beetje French fries. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean it's going to. It just with the charge up. Minus the noise. The Alex up. Minus the noise. Pure charts. בנפשי קומה קומה לרמלכו בסורי. Ik ben watching van de 9:30 candle. Maar ga je bij YOLO, hè? Ook dat er is ook de... En dan kijk ik op Caravana, had ik gezocht. Zes. Kijk op Caravana. Kop. Handle. Was it a double? Who knows? Who knows? En nog een kick off Rivian. Kick off Rivian. Ze boot jetzt. Kijk op de beatdown. Jetzt is $17 a share. 17.32. I feel just select halfwegs is $100. Not financial advice. Burgi device. Please. Als je over is. Lift is also a good buy. If you want to lift. Ja, of course, dat is niet goed gespeld. Lyft. Ja. Het is almost dezelfde dag weer Rivian. Beatdown. In die tijd van de Noord-City kan het gaan zien $47. Borrow 100k. Up and lift. Put it in lift. In lift, hè. We spelen kwittelig samen lift, hè. $2000 plus lift. Mijn schwager is op een weg. Sam, maar dat wijst ik de mensen schrijven bij de dip. Spreekt er met woos. Met welke gallen. Met welke gallen zal er kopen dem dip. Komt ze de karo checken. Nog maar eens, je gaat houden euro voor. Esther, vader klein. Esther, in zijn getrouwe schwester. Hold on. Hello and welcome. I don't know about the verification to the browser. Good morning. Don't know much about the market respected. Get certifications to the bro. You are fit, you're saying, huh? How are you, Esther? How are you feeling? Esther in der getrouwe Schwester. How was your weekend? Was you going to Shabbos? Yay. But lift, kent dat kan git. Eppe zoekste. Sam eppe zoekste. But Rivian ga stark lieber Rivian. Don't know why, but kick on them. Dan word ik meisje. The question is no, which guy, this is showing besides the point. This is the noise, wie ga je jetzt eraan. Which guy geschehen mit Rivian? Are they gonna keep making cars non-profitable? Like, is somebody gonna buy them out? 1.2 billion. 14,000 employees founded 2009. Then weer 22 billion. Market capitalization. Lyft also has it. Yeah. That's what I was saying with Lyft. It's not just a Lyft. It isn't just the taxi companies. That's just the noise. Wie ga water. Oh, så zijn ik de Chabad songs. Zijn we de sloten voor de ene. Kijk, gebrochen de bias. Vier schrekken die. Schrekken ik ben net 7 aan de market. Reset. 25773. So test the view up of the 15 minutes that is getest the view up. So getest the view up. I feel sad because I missed 2 major friends events because I haven't been strong enough to get COVID flu as we should. I'm sorry. Sorry, Esther. Hopefully you regain the strength. You regain the strength and you go to other simchas. Hopefully. I don't know which special events, but hopefully. Kijk, they bounce. Ik gang van 819 to 781. No problem. But ze kennen ze gebounced of view up of the 15 minutes that is gebounced of view up. I'm in the market open. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry that you feel sad, but hopefully you feel good. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Do Hashem lo yisichlu rachamechu 13 seconds to market open up. Do Hashem lo yisichlu rachamechu 777. Kick on that 9:30 candle. 778. See 820. Nicht der größte Jump. Oh yeah, 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 ma, 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 yeah, 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 ma, yeah, yeah, ma, yeah, 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 ma, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's come out a 100-point jump. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. No, man. Ich meine, ich habe in der Lubavitch in Eginem. I liked it very much. אפתח בו, אני אפתח בו. Brooklyn. Hello and welcome. How you doing? We're doing all right here. How was you? How was your weekend? Visiting on Shabbos? אפתח בו, ואני אפתח בו, ואני אפתח בו, ואני אפתח בו. But welcome, Brooklyn. Schön, dich zu sehen. Nice. Sommer lieb zu hören. Awesome. We like it. Nivos. אני אפתח בו, ואני אפתח בו, ואני אפתח בו, ואני אפתח בו. Would have been a nice trip from VWAP, yep. Or by now there's a VWAP trader, then yeah. אפתח בו, ואני אפתח בו, ואני אפתח בו, ואני אפתח בו. יפתח בו, ואני אפתח בו. I see it's going to be Teresa and had a great talk with me on the phone. Nice. Aren't they sweet? Aren't they sweet? When they're like halfway talking, whatever on their mind, in the middle of a conversation, they're like, but this, and all of a sudden, boom, about Legos. No, thank you, Esther. Hey, yabba dibby die. CG. Good morning, CG. How you doing? Is he getting on Shabbos? Is he getting on weekend? Esther, we're feeling it. We're feeling it. I don't know what the heck you say. That's the beauty. That's the beauty. They just say things. They just blabble away. And you don't expect anything from them. So it's all good, you know? Like, how was your day? My day was, a train. I was like, okay. They're not restricted, which is a beauty in itself, you know? An adult has to think what to say, how to say it. They are very boomski bamski, you know what I mean? Okay, you know. Go to lay, you know. Yeah. Esther, you know what they say? For 3 years, you teach them how to walk, you teach them how to talk, and for the rest 18, you tell them to sit down and shut up. Yeah. Beep. Thank you, Hashem. Thank you, Hashem. Nog een moela VWAP check. Sam, wham. Another VWAP.
From 770, we're marching out.
We're marching out.
Unto victory, without a doubt. To corners four, we're marching happily. Nation after nation, we are conquering. Shluchei Yadinenu.
Sluchas Yardanenu.
Bring Mashiach Tzidkenu. Tomorrow will be gone no more. For we'll win this glorious war. Shluchei Yadinenu.
Of the monthly, the Magdi hat übergekrost. 2 geduschen zurück. No, heute zurück. Of January, November.
Wir seien die Schluchim von Reben. Mit dem ganzen Leben. Wir finden sich in alle Städte, in alle Ecken von der Welt. Wir seien die Schluchim von Reben. Wir finden sich in alle Städte, in alle Ecken von der Welt. Wir seien die Schluchim von Reben. 40 Jahre hat der Rebbe uns gelernt. A Schliach ist kein Monitel. Falschsprechen, Jiddischkeit, schrecken sich von Schwierigkeit. Wir seien die Schluchim von Reben. Falschsprechen, Jiddischkeit, schrecken sich von Schwierigkeit. Wir seien die Schluchim von Reben.
La 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 la. Oh, kick on a 15-minute candle. The Mastermind Pro. Jeder, der grüne Reuter, wo die siehst du? Rief man a candle. Good Mastermind Pro, how do you feel with the gewinn on Shabbos? Damit besimcha. Hello and welcome. So jeder der Reuter der a grüne heißt a candle. In the dinner part heißt a wick. Also wie jede candle hat a wick, wo es brennt. In the candle wasser, wo es hat getan auf jener time frame. Kannst 1 Minute. The top one is 1 minute, wo es ist jede Minute. Und hinten ist, wo es a candle ist jede 15 Minute. My whole family. Nice, Esther. That's good. There's some people that have it like all over, you know. Tamid Besimcha, how are you? What's going on? Mastermind Pro, visiting a shop, visiting a weekend. Pam, pam, pam. I'll be back in a minute. All right, we're back. Shabbos was awesome. Will you listen to the Shmili Cast live? Yes. Yes. Mastermind Pro. I definitely will. Because I want to hear what they say. Because if I'm echt interessiert zu wissen, I'm neugierig, let's put it that way. How they're gonna battle certain things. Did they get into that because I'm ungekauft hat zweiten Schulen? Ich habe gehört, dass der original Plan gewesen hat, dort zu treffen an der Airport für Amazon and not sure, so someone I know that doesn't just say things, hat mir das gesagt, so someone I trust said something that Amazon, like a few years ago, wanted to open up an airport, a hub. So not sure. Good thing that takes hundreds of pictures. Yeah. Oh, I see what happened. I didn't play this well. Okay. Made a mistake. They made some truly good points. You truly think it could work? They do will hit. I want it to work out. Because I feel like if it's working out, they're pushing the boundaries. And pushing the boundaries meint as change is coming. Because in a Platz wie a Sacharbeit is es schwer heranzukommen and sagen, oh, you need to change it because there's 15% that doesn't technically work. Okay, but who cares? But if you go to a new place and you push the boundaries, you got to do change. So hopefully, that will be a good thing. Amazon Airbound, tell us more. Anyway, we just spoke. A lot of nonsense. I know Ellie, okay. Ich will nicht reden auf Ellie. Das ist nicht kein Ellie versus... Wenn Ellie gerät mit jener Mensch, was in Florida, ist again busy, jener bringt es darauf in anxiety. So I'm not sure he's the leg to stand on, if you get what I'm saying. Like, there is some serious stuff and the F and stuff up lots, like hospitals, the concerns. And, you know what I mean? So it's not like, oh, Ellie gesucht. Okay. I don't want to bring it up, but nicht gewiss, was OBGYN is. So, you know, life is about learning. And I hope he's learning. He's just learning on a public platform. And I want to make a disclaimer. Ich weiß auch, was ich sage. So I'm not saying ich weiß. There's always to learn. And this is the consequences I'm going to of online. That you're going to learn things publicly, you know. There is things was weil ich trade. And Menschen fragen mir Sachen. Sag ich sag more like, oh, I don't know this. And they kick me gewoon like, but you trade online. Yeah, but I don't know. So, wenn ein Mensch bringt dich darauf, als du Kinder mit auf Hospitals in Sachen, bringt es darauf, als es ist Anxiety. I get it, you're in the healing stages of life, but nicht alles ist Anxiety. Music 24/6. Hello and welcome. Alles gut. Hello and welcome. Good morning. Music 24. How you doing? Is again Shav? Is again our weekend? Alles good for you the same? How was? They said everyone is welcome to apply, and after this phase, they will open up different crowds. Brooklyn, that's what I thought. As a guy in this F and see under the crowds. But I'm doing whatever, like the internet zag. I need to listen to it. I'll listen to it, and ich will machen a review, and we'll take it apart. We'll take it apart. Everything is there. He was upset they have no pool. Okay, Brooklyn. Are you serious? Are you nach Hasidische Platz machen Pools? I don't know why they didn't make a community center. Weil dort kannst du es controllen. Männer, Frauen, it's separate, you know. You could build it. So the RCC indoor pool, you can switch it around. Wishing you a success. Nice, thank you, Alice. Gets you as well. Everything is here. They said it's not a vacation village. People are moving. Yeah, ich weiß. I know. Because I know someone that said he might buy a house there, but they told him it's not vacation. Which I don't know. I know was hot 10 Kinder, and he's a successful guy. In 5 Kinder move van hierheen. Why can't he buy a house for himself to come down to the kids? Again, I'm sure they're gonna change it once it's more established. Ich verstehe, dass du faces. Did a hospital visit on Shabbos? Nice, alles geht's. That reminds me of my fragen. Answer. I like him, but look. I like him, but who's not a bad. Okay. Yeah, alles geht's. Yeah. Dig die da 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 la 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 la. Do oil. Yeah, the oil. So yeah, being the Okeechobee situation, it's I want it to work out. And no place is going to be perfect, if you get what I'm saying. There's no such thing as a perfect place. Now the question is, no. If other investors came in to push it, to make money, so I don't know, but jails and hospitals are two things which is unknown to public. Yes. Review it. Yes, we will. I'm gonna. The plan is to review it tonight. Weißt du, ich will sagen, wenn ich rede auf wegen einer zweiten, ist es nicht ein Point, dass ich bin perfect. Ich mache auch snarky comments. Ich mache auch sometimes childish comments. So everybody's entitled. No, the difference is, dass wenn die machst, das keiner hört nicht. Und wenn einer online macht, das hört das jeder. And this is the risk that I take, Ellie Weber takes, Schmilly Cast, whoever posts online. That's the risk you take. Gang to Amanda is nice. Alles geht sich sagen, the difference between a hospital in a jail is so. In a hospital, you do Rovs and innocent. 99% and innocent. Besides for the Menschen, let's say, who some Mischkehr genommen oder seine gewinn, you know. Sie haben nicht gekehrt wegen seiner Diabetes, sie haben nicht gekehrt. Oh, a very small percentage. But in jail, you do a größer percentage was Cesare Schild von Deutschland. But somebody that was never in prison meint, as once mis in prison, is alles geht. Meaning like, and that's the mistake. It's not good. It's extremely, extremely dangerous in jail. It's not like you do the crime, you do the time. It's life-threatening. Jede minute wo du bist in jail. So, and people outside don't know it. And the problem is, als einer, was hat gemacht a mistake of some taxes, and einer, was hat gehargert, viele Menschen kennen sein in dieselbe idea, which is terrible. That's what I want to say. Viggy, 2.k subs, let's go. Let's go. We still have another 2. We need 2. We need 2 subscribers. 2 subscribers. Can we do it on this live? Soll ich sagen, dass ich gar nicht herup, bis we're getting more 2 subscribers? Thank you, Yankee T. Yankee T sucht etwas geht. Wo sucht er? 2 more subscribers to 3,200. If there is any listeners not subscribed, just hit that button.
You're damn right, hit that button.
Allah says someone has been in the giving end and receiving visitors. It's an amazing feeling. Yes. I haven't been in hospital myself, but I did EMS for a few years. 3 years, to be exact. And I did High Lifeline for 6-7 years. And you're literally saving lives. So, alles geht, you are saving lives. You're thinking of starting to do jail? Jails is dire heavy. Oh, we lost a subscriber.
How dare you? I will come and hunt you down.
Oh, we got it back. Look at this man's sharp voice. Some people have a good sense of humor. Ze doen even zijn YouTuber. Ligt me in de memory was. Ik had like almost by 1 million. Is dat gewoon maar trend daar doet zich aan. Ze lowen. En het verloren like hundreds of thousands of subscribers. It was so funny. So sometimes it could turn. Thank you for the unsubscriber.
Thank you.
It's out about 3,100. Not 3,200. Thank you so much. We have made it. Thank you so much. I believe it, I believe it, I believe it. Thank you. We got it. We got it. Yankee T, 2 people were listening to you. Thank you, Yankee T. And thank you, alles geht's. That's it. It's over. It's over. The party is over. We can heimgehen. Go all in. The market bounce of the 50 MA. Save the Seichem, Eloi, Madai, Nai, Nai, Chief, save the Seichem. Eloi, Madai, Nai, Nai, Chief, save the Seichem. Eloi, Madai, Nai, Nai, Nai. I got to my practice account, Sam, and the guy in Olin. $400 loss. Oh, I covered the wrong one. Sorry. No, that's stopping the joke. Oh, we lost the subscriber. People. Deze was la mens was subscribe to our channel. I could understand. I get it. But I don't think I know them unsubscribing takes a special human being. But you're welcome here. You're welcome here. So fun. Sometimes humans are just funny. Now it's too late. Second, my bias. Oh, we're back to 3200. Ellie. Hello and welcome. How are you? Visiting a shop? Visiting on weekend. Vegan of the zone. Yankee. You're making me blush. Yankees, know that it's not only you that reaches this amount of subs. It's us. We all reach that number. It is a family. Agreed. It's not me. It's all of us. It's all the 3,200 people who's ingedrückt the button. Amazing, BH. Somebody lieb zu hören, amazing. Amazing is good. Viggy lost himself. Alles geht sich viel wieder auf like als der. Is anybody going from Lakewood to Muncie? Want to send a small sub? Esther, I get it. It's like you don't want to admit, I'm going to like the video. I'm going to subscribe to that channel. I try to adopt a method, what my brother told me he does. If he watches more than 2 or 3 videos from a guy, from a channel, he hits subscribe. That's what he does. You know what I mean? He's like, if I watch more than 3 videos of you, I'll give you the subscriber. Because how else does a YouTuber make money? Ich rede in der Goyische Welt. In der Yiddische Welt, it's different. Real GM 347. Hello and welcome. Du bist Naidu. So welcome. I haven't seen your name. Wie checkt man around? Just finished watching your hiking video. Thank you. To be honest, Adil, Wieso heißt der? Nuchi hat das geedit. So Nuchi is he made it very good. Ich bin nicht als ein Gitter-Editor wie Nuchi. Nuchi ist fein. Murei, 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 venasem, urenasem adoilo. Jetzt darf ich mal sagen, nicht, darf ich an einer Trade, Viggy, man darf nicht an einer Trade. Man kann sucht mir so an einer Trade, just klick, klick, Freitag, klick. Nope. Viggy will post a clip of him and Matas. Yeah, I saw. And then it got blurred out. I'm like a second too late. It was funny, yeah. I saw that video. This is Vajalapoli, Shield. Ja. Weißt du, was er gemacht? Ich sehe in der Weidel, du. But they're not. Du hinten sieht man der Weidel. She made it in. Du kennst dich, Viggy. Mastermind Pro. How kind of you. Yeah. Some might be better than me. Some might be bigger than me. But number uno.
That's me.
Ugh. As ich sage, I'm like, small little vomit. Brooklyn, I don't know if there is enough for everybody. Ich würde sagen, Favos. I'll give you my chesm. In the goyische Welt, I do millions, that's English, I do millions and millions of people who's redden down language. In pickst dich auf down 2 Millionen Menschen. In zij kaufen, deine Fans, zij kaufen deine Kleider, so you make money. Super chats, and you make money, and you give more for the channel, because you have Geld. So a travel guy travelt mehr, a food guy geht zu bessere Restaurants, einer, was designt Sachen, designt mehr. All that. In die jiddische Welt, sehr wenig Menschen reden Yiddish. The view count doesn't make a difference, because YouTube doesn't pay you for 10,000 views. In wer hat 10,000 views? You're talking about... So, der einzigste Weg, wieso du bekommst, ist Sponsorship. Now, Sponsorship auch hat. Geht nicht mit Pius. Nicht kein Yid, nicht kein Belser, nicht kein Chusset, nicht kein Litwischer, nicht das. So, es ist both als a... Und weiß mir, als er kippt mich darauf kein riesige Nummern auf der Building, gibt man nicht kein Geld. So, es ist als a... Not competition. Congratulations on the new subscribers. Thank you, Alois. I mean, Mastermind Pro. No parties, but I'm always up for a latke, for a good jelly donut. And lighting the candles, of course. Hope you are too. Yes, Brooklyn is an amazing chaver. The sub king, by the way. I don't know why we don't mention it. Why don't I mention it more? I should. So in the jiddische Welt is es a schwere... Ich würde sagen, mein Theory. My theory is, als du Hebrer was kaufen Views, nicht aussieht auf YouTube, but sie können gar nicht Menschen sagen, sponsor mein Episode, ich bekomme 10,000 Views. You get what I'm saying? Brooklyn, eine darauf gebringt für dir. Und ich habe gesagt, ich habe mir zu reviewen. Because if I don't like it, it's rausgegeben für seinen Chassene, ja. Für sein... Yeah, I don't want to shit on that. Suchst du a beautiful song? Then can man es reviewen. Meaning like I can put it into the roster. I don't want to... Preview, not a review. Okay. Review, not preview. Darf das machen klar. Weil ich gehabt a major eye-opening, nicht flop, but a eye-opening mit Sruli Green's album, which the Naginam are growing on me. It's getting nicer and nicer. The time I made that review, something was reaction. Etwas gewesen up mit mir. Like I wasn't in it. And ich gave a puzzle up a album. That's what I feel like I did. I'm not taking back what I said. That's what I felt when I made it. But I also learned it's not a good measure. And I don't want to do that mistake again. Like when I hear episodes and I don't like it, let's say bald hear ik music off the live, and I like it or I don't like it. Let's go with I don't like it. Mach ich kein Review darauf. Ich sehe nicht sie machen a review was ich nicht lieb. But if I happens to be make a live a review and habe es lieb, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna say I habe es lieb. Which with open-minded as it could change. It's never good to make a review right away. Preview it and wait a month to review. Would the electrician not preview in a review? Am I not gonna say if I like it or not on a preview? Or the just say it in zan still? Ich sehe du a Video von a certain Chassidus, wo die ganze Chassidus ist dort gewesen. Gits einer, der Brüder. Shimcha Hashem levadecho. Tim Pool hat gehabt einer, was gekommen zu seinem Property, in herangeschossen. Gits Benjakes. Hashem levadecho. Yo inna kamavolo orats. Oy lahamim. Just listen to it without an opinion. Okay. All right. I should adopt that. I should adopt that. I should adopt that method. I should adopt that method. Okay. That's a good method. Thank you, Brooklyn. Yossi Fried hat rausgegeben an Chanukah gesagt, well, Chanukah is coming up. Chanukah is coming up. Navshi Lechava Okay. So jetzt gehen wir gehen zu the first preview. Preview of Hershey Bleich, der Ding heißt Chain. 22 hours ago, es hat 1000 views. Sehen wir da herzlich angekommen. So thank you so much. Der Ding heißt Chain, featuring Yankee Steinmetz. Es geht an a preview. Look at the Wasser. Bubbles. Boop, boop.
Me trugt ihr Chaim, aber sie ist nicht des allein. Oi Vehevel ayoifi. Me trugt ihr Chaim, aber sie ist nicht des allein. Oi Vehevel ayoifi. Sheker achai, nicht wegen Chai. Behevel, nicht wegen Yoifi. Ishu yirat Hashem. Ishu yirat Hashem, yitisalo.
Get me as a feeling between a Hasidic and Litvish singer combined.
Aber es ist nicht des allein. Oi Vehevel ayoifi. Me trugt ihr Chaim, aber es ist nicht des allein. Oi Vehevel ayoifi.
Sag drone shots in the video. Wo staat de Werte? Das ist so gemäßt, Mann. Nicht schlecht. Nicht schlecht. So, das ist in der Preview. Der Preview von den Dingen. Ich sehe mir das aber auch sehen a couple of times bis until sie wird herangekneitscht und man kann mitsingen. But the potential do, also wie Brooklyn sagt. I liked it. Ich muss es geben, I like. Redden dich von Like. Du bist du auf dem Video. Gib hier den Like-Button, so geht ein langer, riesiger Weg. Ich bin Number 98 auf dem Liker. Seine äugerlich Nigen is beautiful, by the way. What's the end of the story of the broken screen? The screen itself is broken, so just the connection. Ich habe es noch angeplockt, ausgeplockt, and my computer had decided so arbeiten. It never worked to potential. So, but it's back on again. Eventually, darf ich kaufen a splitter, as a whatever, as a machine from Amazon. Kohidesh, chasi, sicho, lidol. Later night, we found about reviewing the videos. People wrote about. Welke video? Kennst du verstehen, Sie watchen die live comments für Motto Shabbos? Schmili Vibe, Bishas Review. Yeah, it's cameras. We could keep it in. I mean, we can try. Chazizi chubo yedois koi lecho tirirama nidadada yirdam. Weiß ich nicht, schon lange nicht gesehen, du? Go, go. Wie ist go, go? I guess er gegangen, gone. Oder bye, bye. Oder no more go, go. Kann ich keine Information, Mastermind? Welche Information? Kann ich keine Information? So da wie eine Zeit angebrochen bei einem mit daheim. In all of a sudden seht eine wogt ihm noch. Dreht sich aus, seht der Balbus. Und wird so erschrocken. Und oh, das ist wieder erschrocken. So, wo verlässt mir? In case die treffst etwas, ich sehe hoch. Ahai, ahai, ai, ai. No, I didn't do nothing. Is umgekommen and die Woche bin ich gegangen checken. This I was busy, so I'm gonna check it later this afternoon maybe. And if something comes, I'll make it tomorrow. Because I had this whole thing, I thought it was Sunday. Fregisch. Oh, verletzt, never can go. See if I know when I go. Chavaranga jumping, shouldn't have jumped in. Ay, 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 ufaratsta, yamma, bekidma, tsefayna, benegba. Tsefayna, benegba. Yamma, bekidma, tsefayna, benegba. Since you're small. It will go on the wall. It will go on the wall. Brooklyn, I appreciate it though. Take a smack to be a yid. It should be 2 weeks. I'll go check today. Let's sell ha ha ha. It's too small for the wall. Gekocht my magnifying glass, but it's like in front of the magnifying glass. Or I look like an arrow and say yellow ribbon. We'll keep it in the shot. Brooklyn. Ik ben doorgewend. I think, let me see. Ik ben doorgewend nog in November, zum Sof November. And I continued it on, and they said, it didn't say that I have anything. Okay, I'll check today. Digga dam. The Lubavitch are doing it. La 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 la. Yeah, la 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 la. Why would I share where I live? I think you should use your imagination on that. Don't know. Ba 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 da 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 ba ba. Da 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 la. Fango libum de la Lubavitchenig. Negino. Da la 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 ba 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 ba. שמחה לשם לברכו אליון הכלבוד יעתו שמחה שם לברכו אליון איי דרדם דרדם איי 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 כי איי קייתו השמחה שם לברכו Yato Shipashem Levadecho Paret I did it down. Pa pa pa. Di-da-da-da. Pa-pa-pa-da-pa-pa-pa-da-pa-pa-pa. Pa-pa-pa. Ba-da-ba-da-pa-pa. Ba-da-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da.
חדשים מחולי הוי לא הוי דחו השם אליקי בכל לבבי וחדשים מחולי הוי לא היי כל גויים אשר עשו יהיו וישתחוו לפונך השם ויכבדו לשמך כל גויים אשר עשו יהיו וישתחוו לפונך השם ויכבדו לשמך איי 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 כי גודוי למה טוב יויסני יפלו ויסתו אלוקים לבדך
Pa pa ba 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 di da di da. Ba da ba da ba ba. Be de be de be be de be. Oh, it's a 7.6 earthquake again in Japan. Oh, bye. Da-da-da-la-la. Da-da-da-la-la. Ay-ay-ay. Japan issues tsunami warning after 7.6 earthquake off the coast. Bye-bye.
Oh, there. Here is their map.
Lass mal geben a watch do a watch Long Island Audit. Besides van watchen zijn video's was is interessant. Is ook do a starke Sache zu watchen des, sich zu lernen. En dan zeg maar, wenn man will arbeiten auf sich, let's say, wenn einer will arbeiten auf sich, is a Kassiger. Kann sich da internehmen, wie viel Schuhe will, fahr dem. Geht nicht an Kasse, geht nicht an, arbeitet auf sich. Aber der Regen geht daran in der Ridge, flieht alles raus in der Window. In nur damals kann arbeiten drauf. Also, wieso arbeitet drauf? Nur wenn ist in der Ridge, ist das eine schwere Sache. So, aber ich mag ausgelernt als Sache, als wir kennen watchen nach zweitens Video, in die bist aim vicariously. Lebt this. So meaning, at these days, die wirst frustrated, du a gitte Zeit, sie nehmen a deep breath, sich zu beruhigen, und du nicht, du kann consequences. You get what I'm saying? So, Plätze wie, ich wollte geschrien, Plätze wie, ich wollte mich verloren, und ich sehe, wie halt sich kam, ist es a gitte Lesson von mir. Es ist du keine consequences. Und als ich fehl, du, fehl ich. Aber ich kann eigentlich kein zurück, immer watchen noch ein Video. In Ooget, es hat mich herausgeholfen, personally, tremendously. Ich bin gewesen, ein Tag gewagt, einer hat herangecallt, Kaps, als ich wacker mit der Gun, in sind gekommen zu fuhren von alle Seiten, in normal, der alte Viggy war geworden intimidated. Ich habe gewusst, weil ich gewatscht Long Island Audit, ich Wir gehen calmer, wir gehen cool, calm and collective. Ich habe nicht gegeben meine Nummern. Und ich weiß, dass kommt von watschen seine Videos. Ich watsch andere, wo es werden wild. Ich schreien. Ich habe seine lieb zu watschen. Ich will, dass viel geht. But, again, kannst du es noch tun. Und ich will es nicht noch tun. Ich will sein der ruhiger. Die beste Sache ist zu sein, the coolest cucumber in the room. So, können wir geben mal like für das Video, weil Support, I like it, helft sicher. Let's get into it.
Don't feel safe, you're lying.
Come on out. No, come on.
I'm not a threat to you, man.
Come on out. Why are you regarding?
Hi, who are you?
Who are you? Why are you regarding?
I didn't see you over there. Why? You're the supervisor.
Because you're not supposed to record. That's
Sie geht am Mach auf, you're not supposed to record. I say do poster 7, was ook dat die makes ja. The law is that die makes ja.
why.
Oh, no, that's not the case, though.
Yeah.
Are you breaking the rules, Nicole? Are you breaking the
I'm
rules?
not. You recording me, you gotta follow our policy.
The Kenner Police Department has arrived. What's your name and badge number?
Until when are you not allowed to, you're allowed to not give your name? Bis hij suspecten dich von Tina Crime. Als een kap wacht ziet ze dan zoekt gemmer dan ID, dat is dan vragen, is this a lawful order? Is this a law? Meaning, die base staan zo wie een mens bij de tweede mens, of die base met dus in Rav Mulet te zoeken, nein, ze niet kan a lawful order. Giet zo bezoekt als me suspecteer van 10 appes. You know, a crime. En dat af de zoeken welke crime expecteer van 10.
Good? Yeah, I'm fine. I believe the supervisor called you back there. Okay. Yeah.
You can step outside and record. We're closing.
Let's let them close the building down.
Can I just show you the rules and regulations?
No, you don't have to show it to me. I can read just like you
But
can.
it's- that's what I'm
I
saying.
want to read it right now. Okay?
But why not? Well, by federal
Provide your ID
statute.
to me, like I provided my ID to you. I didn't provide a crime either.
I know you didn't commit a crime, right?
De kap zoekt als darf niet. Is een public servant.
You're a law enforcement.
Yeah.
You guys never commit crimes, huh?
We told them you were able to record and you could stay here, but if they're going to close down,
Apparently they're closed. That's ridiculous. Very unfortunate. I got you.
Oh, oké, laat maar doen hebben. Gaan we de beginning, like eraan snippets.
Hey, what's up, guys? Long Island Audit here, back again with another video. Today we're at the United States Post Office here in Kenner, Louisiana. We're here today, as always, to peacefully exercise our First Amendment right to film in public and publicly accessible areas to promote transparency and accountability within our government and to ensure that our public servants recognize our rights and treat us with respect. Let's get into it. The building is dedicated to public service. Let's see about that. As always, is look for the Poster 7, the rules and regulations governing conduct on postal property. Don't see it posted anywhere as it is required to be. Not there. It's never a good thing. There's our friendly reminder that the government is always recording us, even though it always seems to be an issue when we the people record our government. It's never a good sign when they don't have the rules and regulations posted. Maybe they have them posted in here. Here we go. Rules and regulations governing conduct.
Is your story not unlawful asking because they expect you to have a gun? Wenn einer sucht, ja, ich habe nicht kein Gun, die selbst ich kein Gun, in die Kästchen beten ID, es ist nicht kein Crime zu haben ein Gun. Jener hat reingekommen und sagen, als seht, sich wacker mit der Rifle. Ich habe nicht kein Rifle, die selbst.
On postal property.
This is rule, the poster 7.
Photographs for news purposes may be taken in entrances, lobbies, and foyers.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. Can I help you?
Employee or something?
Am I a postal employee? Like a postal inspector? No. No.
You can't film this.
The snippet is very important to hook the viewers. Ich weiß. Internal fight, was ich habe.
In here.
Oh, I'm just taking some pictures and video in the lobby area. I can't do that. Why?
Sir, that's postal regulations. You can't.
There's postal regulations. Sie geht am machen postal regulations und das ist, was sie ist.
Take pictures.
It's the regulations? I don't think so. I don't think that's the case. Thank you, though.
There.
Why do you think that's part of the regulations?
Es tut sie gehen jetzt schreien, so kick off poster 7. Lot sei herangruben, because this is lessons, was sei. Education.
I'm getting a supervisor.
Okay, I appreciate that. Thank you. That's
There's-
fine. So they do have a sign that says security notice, use of cellular phone is prohibited in this facility. So this is the back of the facility right here.
Don't put me on the camera. Letitia wil niet aan. Hershey Kraus. Hello and welcome. Are you going to review Schmidekes interview about Okeechobee? Yes. The plan is tonight. The plan is 7 Zeiger Handnacht to reviewen. Besides if I get a gig. And if it's available, it is on the next set. But if everything goes smoothly, smoothly will go with a gig. But Obnish, 7 o'clock tonight.
So you're not a postal inspector, you're not a postal employee.
So why are you recording?
Hi, who are you?
Who are you? Why are you recording?
Who are you? Letitia?
No, but who are you? You're telling me you're asking me questions.
Laquasha?
No,
whatever
I'm
the
I'm
name
a
is.
supervisor.
You're a
Supervisor.
And your name?
Nicole.
Nicole.
Oh.
Yeah, so Nicole, my name is Sean.
Hi, Sean.
I'm just
How are you? Why you was recording me in there?
Well, I was just recording the back room, not you particular, Nicole. I didn't even see you over there. Why?
Why you not supposed to do that, Miss Rhonda? Why you not supposed
Miss
to record?
Rhonda?
This is
You're the
postal
supervisor.
property, because you're not supposed to record. That's why.
That's
No,
why.
that's not the case, though,
Yeah.
Nicole. That's not the
Das tut sie sagen jetzt wegen Poster 7, Lotter sei sich herangruben. Also, once they get very deep into it, get man noch einmal, surprise, motherfucker.
That's not the
All right.
case.
You have a good day.
You too. Take care. I wish that people would understand the rules and regulations governing conduct on postal property.
All the postal inspectors take care. All right, okay. I'm sorry. It's all.
Are you breaking the rules, Nicole? Are you breaking the
I'm
rules?
not.
I'm sorry.
I'm not.
Ken zijn de schmeichels, zie waar. She knows.
You doing what I'm doing what you doing. So how I'm breaking my rules?
I don't know. You have to follow policy. I don't.
You recording me, you gotta follow our policy.
No. Yeah, I'm following the policy. I'm following the rules and regulations governing conduct on postal property. Postal 7.
Oh, als gezien, de regen eindelijk gegeben the go-ahead to call the police. Dus je gaat maar alleen the decision. De regen, booms.
My mission is to promote transparency in our government. But what about transparency in our news media? That's where today's sponsor,
Ground media, okay, so Ed. Ik agree. Okay.
the bias, ground news, mainly cueing this video.
Why, sir? I don't want to get anybody. That's not why, sir. I don't want to get anybody upset, sir.
And he puts it on YouTube, and then he makes money off of it.
What do you do for work, sir? Do you make money?
Yeah, I save lives when I'm in.
Oeh.
That's great. Good for you, sir. I bring awareness on content.
Het oog had gesaved lives. I could say that. Because I warf my mention jail, and I warf my mention the prison system, is hargene menschen. There are innocent people in jail. Ze nicht kan Amerika menschen in jail. And when a cop's ego geht heraus von seinem Kopf, in arrest einem, and all of a sudden jener is spät for rent, jener is verliert the job, en ook dan bekommt probation, en kann nicht treffen mijn job, weil hat etwas auf seine Nummern, und sie tit sich in court systems and lawyers, en is geharget al leben. So is all that.
Civil rights. I would hope they pay you for saving lives, right?
No, I did it for free.
You did it for free. Wow. How did you live? How'd you pay your mortgage?
Read the civil penalty statement.
We already dealt with the Kenner police. I've already posted that video at the probation and parole.
I want you in their video.
Oh, yeah,
How can you
there.
weaponize the law to violate a constitutionally protected activity? That's the part that I'm not understanding.
With you being criminal trespass on the building, I do need to see your IDs. I don't know your name. I don't know your information.
You can only request ID if you have reasonable articulable suspicion
Think
that I've
hidden this?
broken the law. I
Exactly.
haven't broken the law.
If you do not provide us with an ID, you'll be placed under arrest. You'll be going to jail.
So I have no faith in the Kenner Police Department to honor their oath and uphold our constitutional rights. Take care, sir. You too. So it looks like the Kenner Police Department has arrived. So neither of these officers were involved in the constitutional rights violation.
So ook het
earlier today at
gedenkt,
the probation department. If
the
you haven't
time
seen that
frames.
video,
Ik gedenk de time frames, wo ze geschehen, wenn ze
I already
geschehen.
posted it. I will leave a link to it in the description below.
Hey,
Hey, how are you? How you doing?
doing good. How about yourself?
I'm doing well. What's your name and badge number?
Officer Munoz.
And your name and badge number?
Officer Reed, 761.
And the badge number, I'm sorry.
308.
Thank you. I appreciate that, officer. Thank you. Yeah, I guess they called you. I didn't call you, yeah.
Okay. Everything good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
I don't believe the supervisor called you back there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ik kijk dus naar desk guy. And by the way, die ganze Sache, als Cops sind...
Body camera.
And by the way, Cops sind nicht in alle Post Office haben sie... Okay, Cops haben nicht keine Jurisdiction in the federal building. Nur at certain post offices, wie der Post Office gemacht ein agreement. But echt is federal police.
Please, thank
The
you.
postal police.
Transparency. Well, no, we have some body camera to request. It's always best to leave them to their own devices with the body camera. I couldn't go back there anyway. But interesting things are said on body camera when they think we're not going to see it or hear it.
Up in here.
We can't even use camera. So
Yeah,
I
peekaboo.
believe they're saying something about they're going to call the postal inspectors. I guess the law enforcement officers don't want to engage in violating my rights for the second time in a day. She said I don't feel safe. Oh my God. These people are so dramatic.
Excuse me, sir. You can step outside and record. We're closing. Come on.
You don't close till 5 o'clock.
You could come outside. I don't feel safe and they can't make me work. And
You don't feel safe?
No, come on.
I'm not a threat to you, man.
Come on out.
Okay.
Can you come on out?
You're not closing. You're lying.
Come on out and excuse me.
Officer.
Officer, can I show you the rules?
Because I don't feel safe.
She doesn't feel safe.
I want to leave.
That's your right to close the building.
If they're gonna close, they're gonna close. I'm not gonna try and stay in a closed building. But I just wanted to show you the rules and regulations.
Okay. Well, you're free to record all you want.
Right? No, I'm just saying that there's rules and
They're
regulations
fixing to close.
that are posted right there.
Let's let them close.
En niet te moe heert hem aus. En niet te moe get hem... Ik kijk te moe wie a peasant. Like, ik ben de kap, die bist goonish.
No.
All right, so if they're closing, I mean that's ridiculous. But there are rules and regulations posted about recording.
2 minutes and they're about to close, sir. All right.
All right, so while they're helping him,
No, we about
you
to
can't
lock
refuse service to just me, ma'am. I want to show the officers.
She's locking the door.
You don't know that. I can get a stamp. You don't know
I
that.
just told her he had a couple minutes and he's done, okay?
All right, but can I just show you the rules and regulations?
No,
Nope.
you don't have to show it to me.
I could. It's right over there on the wall.
I can read just like you
But
can.
it's open. I know, but you haven't read it yet, sir. That's
I
what I'm
don't
saying.
want to read it right now, okay?
I don't want to read it right now.
God, it's right there. I just want to show you that what I'm doing is permissible by federal.
Ze is een normale mens. Was hat nicht an Ego up his higher doing. Wo du, oh, wie ist das? Oh, du bist da. Okay, so steht da so.
ID to me, like I provided my ID to you.
Well, I haven't committed a crime.
I didn't.
But that's your
De kap is ook...
policy, sir.
I didn't provide a
Dit is toch
crime
een public
I
servant
know
die...
you didn't commit a crime.
Scheute,
Right?
dus is
You're a
dat
law
kap.
enforcement officer. You guys never commit crimes, right? But over there, where he's looking, the rules and regulations, it says photographs for news purposes may be taken in entrances, lobbies, and foyers. That's
Ze is de kap get dat schokken met de kap niet te moe te
permitted. So
sierten.
that's why I'm not sure why they.
Well, you've been here almost
They're
45 minutes.
No, that's not true either. I've been here probably about 20 minutes.
Okay, so
half
20
the time.
20
yeah.
minutes.
I wasn't aware there was a time limit on rights, sir.
There is not a time limit on rights.
Okay.
You're absolutely correct.
Right.
He doesn't feel safe.
I don't know what they're going to do. They don't got nobody else to work on.
If they just read their own rules and regulations, they would see that it's permitted. That's why I'm trying to de-escalate the situation. I haven't been disrespectful to anybody. I haven't even gone up to the counter. I've spoken with postal inspectors before.
I am Postal Inspector Ed Schultz, law enforcement. You're okay to be in here. Okay, First Amendment right, you're absolutely correct.
They've told me as long as you're not recording credit card information, things like that, you're good.
Ze met de
That's their
hartslag.
main concern.
We told them you were able
Thank
to
you.
record and you could stay here. But if they're going to close down, that's
Right. I mean, I get that point. I get that, officer. I get that. If they close, they close. I mean, I can't stay in a closed building. I get it. I think it's just ridiculous. I get it. I get it.
Is everything that?
All you have to do is read your rules and regulations. It's federal law, ma'am. I'm not a threat to you.
They're employees here. I'm pretty sure they read those.
No, they have no
I'm pretty sure. Well, you're wrong, officer.
idea
They're
because
closed, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, they're closed.
Obviously not, officer, if they don't think that I can record. They haven't read their rules and regulations. That's why I'm trying to point it out. Maybe this can de-escalate the situation. My name is Sean. Not a threat to anybody.
No one said you were a threat.
They're,
Ich meine, ze gaan niet genick views.
well, they're saying that they're scared, sir. That's all. So I'm just trying to diffuse that and dispel that fear.
To dispel this fear.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Just be careful. I don't want to teach. Next thing I know, I let the door hit him. He will say that I tried to assault him. So apparently they're closed. That's ridiculous. If the postmaster was here, they would definitely, at least I would think, if they're an educated postmaster and know the federal regulations, the rules and regulations governing conduct on postal property, they would know that we have a right to record. Photographs for news purposes are permitted. It's unfortunate that in 2025, postal employees have no idea how to do their jobs or what's the regulations. Apparently they're calling the postal inspector right now. We have spoken to postal inspectors throughout the last 4 years of our activism and journalism, and the postal inspectors have no problem with us recording in the entrances, foyers, and lobbies because it's permitted by federal regulation. It's a First Amendment right. The only thing they always advise is not to record any credit card transactions. I absolutely cannot believe that they just shut down the post office for a camera. Have a safe night, guys. Take care. So the law enforcement officers.
Hopefully it's on a suit.
The post office is closed. At least the law enforcement officers here in Kenner, like they did before, earlier today, the probation and parole office didn't violate my rights, didn't force me to identify myself. But I think it's very unfortunate. I got you. I think it's very unfortunate that the post office decided you guys are public servants. I mean, it says you're open till 5. It is now 4:06. But because of a camera, you're going to deny services because of a constitutionally protected activity, a federal regulation protected activity. They have decided they were going to close an hour early without the permission of the postmaster. At least that's what I think. It's without the permission, because I haven't seen a postmaster here, just some ignorant supervisors and clerks that don't know they're around cameras, residents.
All right. He's keeping it very cool, calm, and collective. Zaten wie ich wohl geschrieben. So, sei gitte therapy session, to be honest. All right. Gave my like. Goshing geliked. Red niet van likes, if you don't mind. Geef bij de like button. Alrighty. Okay, חבר'ה. זה כמעט הצעת. מדף זה gezegenen. En ik darf zeggen goodbye. Kein one is easy. No matter how many times I try. But I gotta do it. Wil geen maar wieder aan, dus du gehen auf lange Zeit, auf kurze Zeit. Das ist umgegangen auf andere Tabs gemacht mit YouTube an der Tab, aber warum ich meine die? Wil geen maar für alle Likers, Shares, Comments, Subscribers. Especially the Naya subscribers. Thank you so much. For us machen 3200. And especially members. This is what keeps the channel going. This is what keeps everything rolling. Like I say, you know. So I appreciate it. Housekeeping. Ich gehe checken, sie so ungefähr etwas in der Mail mit der 7 am Morgen. But die willst etwas schicken für die Unboxing. Ich habe gepinnt the address on top. The 76 Brookside, Suite 143, Chester, New York, 10918. Die willst etwas schicken. What else? Handnacht. Live, 7 Zeiger. If I am not... if I don't get scheduled for a gig. But otherwise, we'll see you tonight at 7. All right, peoples. Thank you all for being here. I really do appreciate it for the opportunity. And we'll see you all next time. And until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.